Dragon, you hoser, you better puff and pass.
Geralt of Rivia here. What say you, Dragon? Good luck on the path.
We's gonna get silly, bitches.
Today is a special day, and it's one of my favorite days. It's a day where I get to unbox new gear. But before I unbox anything, I'm gonna let my bong do a round of boxing with my lungs. It was a tough fight, but I think my lungs won. How's it going, folks? Welcome back to the Dragon's Den. I am Great Stone Dragon. So this isn't a sponsored video. I didn't get given this because of any particular company other than the one that I do my 9 to 5 for. I've worked for the same company for 10 years. I got hired 5 days before I turned 20. So 5 days before I turned 30, they sent me a link and they said, here, you've been here for 10 years. Here's a whole bunch of different items. Take a peg and grab one. I went through the whole thing. They didn't have a single thing on there that I really wanted, except for one. There was one thing that I actually did want, but didn't need, because I have the old version of it. And that is the HYPER X QUADCST microphone. This is not plugged in, so it's not going to turn on. My bad. But it glows red. It's a great microphone. It served me for many years. It's wonderful. But I got my Shure and my Go XLR board, and I don't really use it a whole lot anymore. So that's why I didn't really think I needed the newer one. But look what showed up today. The white HYPER X QUADCST, the newer version, the Quadcast S. I think everything HYPER X kind of makes is freaking fantastic. These Cloud 2 headphones that they make, the wireless ones, oh my God, they're amazing. These are the best headset. It's the best headset I've ever owned, hands down. But today I focus on this beauty. I'm really excited to see it because, like, this is a great microphone. I know I can find another use for it, but it's a little bit dated. You know, I've had it for years. I did all my Twitch streaming with that thing. And now I've got this is for my solo content when I'm just the only one talking. But, oh, let's see how she sounds, shall we? Okay, I broke the really annoying tape sealy thingy. Let's see what she looks like on the inside, shall we? Ooh, we got a card and some more HYPER X stuff. It's propaganda. All right, we got a little, what is this, a brochure on the back. Congratulations on joining the HYPER X family. Man, I've been a member of the HYPER X family. God. This is in another language, and so I can't really read it. And then we have the reference guide. Handy. And as I usually do, I'm going to ignore all of that and just tear into it and plug it up and see what happens. Cool? Look, they even wrote. It says, pull. Whoop, whoop. Here we go. Let's see her in all her glory. Ain't she pretty? Didn't work. Open up. Woo! Don't fall. If you fall, I will die. Oh my gosh. She's a beauty, ain't she? Oh God. Man, she's gorgeous. I'm gonna have to get like a white microphone arm for this one. Because I don't know, I feel like it'll look classy. I'm serious. I've never had microphone quality that's anything less than a Shure be as high end as HYPER X. They're affordable for the most part, and also just like super reliable. They get the job done, seriously. Now, one thing I'm excited about this one is it's got programmable LEDs, so I could change the colors on the inside. And I know it's cooler than just a straight up red, which both are cool. Both are cool. All right, let's undo the little cable tie guy. Oh, and that's really interesting. This one has like an old USB. It was like a USB type, is the mini USB. It was the one that went into the PlayStation 3 controller, like the really old one. That's what that HYPER X runs off of. This one runs off of a USB type C. So really taking a couple steps up. That would be like going from like a Windows XP PC to now using like a Windows 10, Windows 11. Wild. All right, I'm gonna plug her up and we'll see how she sounds. But first I want to see what she looks like. And for that, I'm going to cut off my ring light. I'm going to plug that in here. Let's turn off the ring light. And so we can see how she looks when she glows. You folks ready? This one's for you, Ma. Boop. Oh, can you see? Is that changing colors? Look. It's changing colors. It's pretty. Look how fancy this is. Ellie, calm down. She's jealous because I'm calling this microphone pretty instead of her. And she wants her dinner. She's not going to get it. Look how pretty. Man, this thing is awesome. Let's see how it sounds, huh? Well, folks, how's it sound? This is the HYPER X S, and it's turned up to its second gain level down here, the gain knob down here. In case it's a little quiet, you can crank that bad boy up. Not too high though, gets a little bit of a buzz. It's got the tap to mute feature right there on the top. On the back, it's got its directional button, so you can switch through the 4 different settings. So if you want to pick up all the audio in the room, or maybe just what's in front of the microphone, or what's on the front and the back, but cut out the sides, it's got all the different functionality there, all at the twist of a knob. Little twist on the old knob. I did a little mic check before I started recording this part of the video, and I gotta say, it sounds great. I love the fact that I don't have to be right on top of it to get it to pick me up like I do with my Shure, but that is the reason that the Shure is what it is. So I think right here is solid. I'm probably a good bit quieter just because I do have a little bit of distance. But we're gonna do a quick test on this microphone just to see how it picks up on sound that's not right next to it. So yeah, you guys tell me if you can hear this. Did you guys hear that? Nah, this thing is freaking gorgeous, and it's a pretty sick 10-year anniversary gift, not even gonna lie. So, shout outs to the place I've been working for forever. Y'all are rad. Thanks for employing me. And thanks to all of you who are watching this video. You fill me with such a sense of purpose outside of my familial duties. I really look forward to making these videos for you guys and getting to hang out and talk and smoke pot and listen to fucking metal. It's rad. And unbox cool shit. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting this HYPER X microphone, I hope this helps you make up your decision. It's super easy to use. It's pretty freaking plug and play. It's beautiful. Looks really great on a desk, not gonna lie, and maybe I'm just biased. But I think I really like the audio quality that I heard with my mic check, and I just have complete confidence in HYPER X and everything that I buy from them. Like, I feel like Razer has some very like hit or miss products. HYPER X, I think they deliver quality every time. This isn't even sponsored, dude. This is just seriously my experience. I'm not trying to scam anybody here. But yeah, thanks for taking the time to watch the video and watch me play with my new microphone. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed it, and come hang out some of my other videos. You know, I'm always pretty stoned and doing something. I got a link tree in the description. It's got a Discord and like some Spotify playlists and social media links and all sorts of other garbage that you can check out if you just have the time and feel like looking at links that I put on a website. Put contact in the comments if you made it this far, and especially if you roll one with me. I love to know when people are doing that. Or even if you didn't, you just enjoyed the video. Just put contact. 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 I'm going to go play with this microphone some more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Dragon abides.